Y'all can play. You can. What's her name?
I don't know.
What's your name? Do you know your name?
Brooke.
Her name is Brooke. Maybe she wants to get in your house and play.
I did. Would you tell me? Would you tell me? Would you tell me my house? Would you tell me my house?
Ready, go.
In here.
Oh no.
In here, like
Uh-oh.
come here. You can. You can come here. Get down. No, get by me.
I know. Emily, just jump, Emily.
Just by you. Just by me.
Ready, go.
I can't walk. No, sit right here. And then. Now we in my house.
You're in your house.
No, I wasn't in my
Maybe she wants to get on the slide.
No, she not.
Why not?
I did over there. Do over here.